Hello, everybody, TechSavvvvy and today I'll be restoring Ipod 4 to iOS 6.16, and then I'll just the jailbreak it in the next video. So first, go ahead and open up iTunes, and iTunes, you know what? Okay, what's going on? Cancel. Screw you. Okay, there we go. Alright. Make sure before you restore your device, you back up all your data, anything that you want. Let's have a quick look here. Nah. I cut all the pictures off here already, so. Alright. Hold down Shift and click Restore iPod. You'll bring in a menu. Not a menu, an Explorer window. I have my TechSavvvvy and see. Is this it? Yeah. Any files that I have that I'll be using multiple times, or I think I'll use multiple times, I'll put it there, that way it's just there. Wow. That's going really fast with the SSD on it. Really, it does not take. It takes a lot longer than that. Alright. So I grabbed some video of my phone at the restore on the device itself. So it has shut down and fuck. Yeah. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. I'm gonna. Oh. Wait. Oh. Alright, iTunes said nope, screw you, failure. I ain't letting it happen. Alright. I have failed updates before, by the way, guys. But I worked it out this time. Updated it. So, I'm gonna cut the video here. I'll come back. I thought, well, great, this again. That's after the update. I got caught in what's called a recovery mode loop, where you're stuck in the iTunes thing, for sure the iTunes logo and then a USB cable logo. I got stuck there for a good night and a half. A good night. Overnight, my iPod just didn't work. I found an update. It's called a crappy Verizon wireless internet card. Don't use those things. Oh gosh. Unless you're traveling, don't use those things. This thing cut out all the time. I'll give it to Verizon. It was broke already. Somebody picked the laptop and hit it. It was plugged into the laptop. I picked it up and hit it right against the wall. That probably had something to do with it. But still, even before that, it still wasn't that great. The data limit was stupid. Overall, unless you're traveling, don't get those things. Get off from Time Warner or, AT&T Uber's internet or anything but those things. Because gaming, don't even bother those things. No. And this isn't being paid for either. No one's paying me to say this. This is my opinion. It just sucks. Anyways, the card cut out in the middle of the restore verification. And yeah, it's through my iPod. Well, I was installing 6.2, by the way. To, jailbreak it. Just so glad I had it was probably 6.2. Yeah. I have failed to jailbreak the iPod twice. I'm expecting the third one to come. Why? Because I know what they're at. You know what? Screw it. I say I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna do it. I still have to jailbreak it. I'm gonna friggin' jailbreak it. I started trying in like 2013. Oh man, I started in 2013. I still haven't had a jailbreak for more than a day. Can you believe it? For more than a day, I haven't had an iPod jailbroken. How sad is that? Still an idiot. I failed to jailbreak this thing. Not once. Once was enough. Twice. I didn't even use the jailbreaking part yet. It failed with iTunes trying to update the software. Thanks Apple. First time what happened was, Red Snow said untethered, but it wasn't untethered, it's tethered. I figured, alright, big deal. I ain't got the laptop with me anyways. When I went to tether boot it, I got caught in DFU mode and I couldn't get it out. Held power home and it didn't do crap. That actually kind of set me off. I was crying. I thought I ruined the iPod, but it was like a month old. I wasn't crying. I was close to. No, I was. I guess just, I don't know what I was. I was definitely pissed off though. I was kind of worried what my dad would think because he said he could jailbreak it, but I wasn't planning on ruining it. Okay. So I want to dismiss as a big backup. Yeah, it does. So it has shut down at Yeah. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. I'm gonna. Oh. Wait. Oh. Alright, iTunes said nope. Screw you, failure. I ain't letting that happen. Alright. I have failed updates before, by the way, guys. But I worked it out this time. Updated it. I found. Funny, I said I cut the video and I never did. I'm gonna have to rank a jailbreaking this thing. Look at my roll, you guys. I didn't fail it once. No, I had failed it twice, and probably a third time later today. So let's boot it back up. Yeah. Alright. So it's doing something right now. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna see an Apple logo with the bar. I'll let it just boot up real quick. And that was. Try to do my phone here. Down to everything it. So. Wow. Haven't seen that look in a long time. It's a stock OS look. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. And see you guys next time.